Unleash a new era of video creation by fusing the intuitive power of CapCut with the groundbreaking intelligence of Nano Banana AI. This tutorial will guide you through unlocking the immense potential of Nano Banana AI within your CapCut editing workflow, transforming your videos with unique creative flair. First, ensure you have Nano Banana AI integrated with your CapCut application. This usually involves a straightforward setup accessible through your Nano Banana AI account or a dedicated plugin within CapCut once connected. You'll notice new AI-powered tools appearing in your CapCut interface. Let's dive into adding AI-driven effects. Navigate to the AI effects section within CapCut here. You'll find a suite of Nano Banana AI tools designed for everything from intelligent object removal to advanced style transfers. For example, imagine taking a simple landscape shot and instantly transforming it into a breathtaking oil painting. Simply select an AI style transfer effect from Nano Banana. Choose your desired artistic style: a circumflex Euros, impressionistic, cyberpunk, or even abstract a circumflex Euros, and watch CapCut apply it seamlessly. Need to completely change your scene? The intelligent background replacement feature powered by Nano Banana AI is revolutionary. It accurately detects and separates your subject, allowing you to insert any background you can imagine with incredible precision. Nano Banana AI also excels at enhancing the core quality of your footage. Utilize AI-powered color correction to instantly balance colors and contrast, or let the AI intelligent noise reduction clean up grainy footage, giving your videos a professional polish. Beyond basic enhancements, Nano Banana AI empowers you to inject truly unique creative elements. Experiment with AI-generated textures and overlays that can be applied dynamically, reacting to the movement and content of your video, creating a truly immersive experience. By combining Nano Banana AI's intelligent capabilities with CapCut's user-friendly editing environment, you're no longer just editing videos. You're crafting digital art. Experiment with these tools, push your creative boundaries, and bring a truly unique style to every project. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates.